Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Jeremy here, Maine Machinist Channel. And once again, here in Maine, we've got a big storm coming. This seems to be a common theme in some of my videos lately, but I've got a problem. This Ariens Snowblower, the cable snapped that drives the wheels. You can see here is when this is pulled up by the cable, it engages the wheels. And there's a huge storm coming tomorrow. Nobody in town has this. You can see that it snapped off pretty clean on the end. And we're going to do an emergency repair here in the machine shop since we have a machine shop here. And we're going to get this thing going. All right, so here's what we're dealing with. The cable had snapped off at the very end of a metal piece. And you can see that piece here. The cable used to slide into the end of this. And it snapped off flush with that. So I trimmed this back a little ways. Now what we're gonna do, this is my plan as a fix for now, and it might actually hold up for quite some time, is I'm going to use this piece of material and we're gonna turn down basically a replacement piece. I'm gonna drill into the end of this so that the cable can go in there, except we're gonna leave this a little bit longer than the original now because we're gonna have to have this inside. Once this is inside the end of that material, we're gonna leave a kind of a thinner wall thickness on the end where the cable is inserted, and we're gonna crush that probably in my Greenwood Arbor press. And I think that's gonna hold it in there definitely for the next storm until I can get maybe a better idea going, but it's gonna get us by on this emergency repair. So let's get started. That's going to give us plenty of wiggle room. Then we can still support it with the center because you can see that thing was bent. This will now fit on there. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of green 609 Loctite retaining compound on this, and I power wire brushed the cable. Now we're gonna bring the old Dake over here, give her some what do you think? I'll hammer it out a little bit straighter. I think with that 609 Loctite in there and crushing her with about 20 ton, she's gonna hold.